Oh, you wanna be ashamed of yourself? What the hell do you think you're doing? Loving me so wrong. Oh, baby, all I do is try to show you that you're mine. One and only guy, no matter who may come along. Open your eyes, 'cause baby, I don't like living under your spotlight. Just because you think I might find somebody worthy. No, I don't like living under your spotlight. Maybe if you treat me right, you won't have to worry.